Čaute pri pozeraní Ratchet clank ďalšej hre. Nebujem. Začíná hra Ratchet clank.
You think you can break me, Papa? Yeah, I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that will make your bones rattle. These turkey pits are so doomed. The iron holding the rattle. Greetings, new fish. I'm Captain Quark. I don't believe it. You're here. I used to dream of being arrested by you. Now get out of here. I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
So, new fish, I take it you followed my many, many adventures? Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy.
He ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill. I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank holo game. The what? You know, the game based on that incident with you and that lawn bat. Oh, you must mean the holo film. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you like all CG. No, I mean the game. It's based on a holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mad shipped to prison. You're making a game based on a holo film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will ever hear my side. I'd like to hear your side, Captain. You would? Well, then sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless lombax named Ratchet. Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that boat, Greg. Does that ship look... Come on, give it a spin. Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. You see something flashing?
Yep, left side looks good.
It's a miracle. On to the afterburner.
The afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all.
The right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show them what you got, kid. Using his trusty Omni-Ray. In order to best his foes, Ratchet used the warrior's tiny ability of jumping. Ratchet knew he faced mortal peril. Should he find find himself on the verge of death. These designs never I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds. I've displayed a flagrant disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. Thank you. Maybe he was just saving up vaults so he could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with. Hey, who's telling the story? Enemy is vanquished. Ratchet forged ahead. His destination, destiny.
Let's test your Are you ready to I spy another contestant? What, future ranger?
Hello, recruit. Cora Barrelux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles. Good work. Now keep moving to the next part of the course. A good ranger is always mindful of their surroundings. Hop across these moving platforms. Good job. You could be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
Hey there, recruits. I'm Brian Flexters and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates. Hey, that was pretty good. Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Guys, grab a few crates from this gadgetron vendor. Awesome. Next step, blow stuff up.
The Water Galaxy is a perilous place, as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left sitting around in crates. In order to spice things up, we armed these dummies with gadgetron flamethrowers. Our lawyers, totally cool.
Good job, recruits. You may just be the next Galactic Ranger. Head to the final challenge.
Come on, Ratchet. You can do this.
And you just might be our next Galactic Ranger.
Looks like some lazy toes.
Not impressive. Looking at Solana's next Galactic Ranger. Look out, Cadet. Come see me after the show. Ladies and gentlemen, the center of Solana, Captain Cool. Hello, Melvin. He's on fire. My name is Copernicus Quark, and yes, that was an impressive wall of fire I just walked past. I'm going to be real with you folks for a moment. When President Byronix recommended I take on a new ranger, I knew just where to go. That's right. We want you. I know what you're thinking. Do I have what it takes? After all, you may not have prevented Dr. Nefarious from atomizing Nero City. You may not have stopped Neptune Prague from rendering the entire population of Aradia colorblind. Twice. After all, you may not have this chiseled jaw or godlike pectoral region, but if you have